I ain't gonna eat, I ain't gonna sleep, ain't gonna breathe till I see what I wanna see. And what I wanna see is you go to sleep in the dirt permanently, you just being hurt. This ain't gonna work for me, it just wouldn't be sufficient enough, cause we are just gonna be enemies. As long as we breathe, I don't ever see either of us coming to terms where we can agree. There ain't gonna be no reason speaking with me. You speak on my seed, then me no speaking English. So we gonna beef and keep on beefing unless you're gonna agree to meet with me in the flesh and settle this face to face. And you're gonna see a demon unleashed in me that you never seen. And you're gonna see this gangster be on himself. I see you D12 and thanks, but me need no help. Me do this all on my lonely. I don't need 15 of my homies. When I see you, I'm seeing you, me and you only. We never met, but best believe you gon' know me when I'm this close to see you expose this phony. Come on, show me, pick me up, throw me, lift me up, hold me, just like you told me you was gonna do. That's what I thought, you're pitiful. I'm rid of you, all you, child, you'll get it. Then go to sleep, dive up, time's up, close your eyes, go to sleep. Wow, you still alive, how many times I gotta say close your eyes and go to sleep. Dive up, go to sleep. Wow, you still alive, why, dive up,
We got you nervous on purpose to hurt your focus. Use not MCs, use worthless. Use not them G's, use a circus. Use no appeal, please use curtains. You use words, cool heard slurred in 2003. Use purpose, use no threat. Who's you serving when lyrically or the bird? You beneath the dirt when you with a label overseeing the earth. Shady old Trice's birth. And as I mold, I become more cursed so we can put down the verse. Take it to the turf. Squeeze, and he who reached the hearse is he who depicts fiction in his verse. And as I breathe and you be deceased, the world believe you deceive just to speak. Use not the streets, use the desk. Use not your chest, use a vest. Before two shoes your rest. You chose death, 6 feet deep, that's the death.
now go to sleep. Dive up, time's up, close your eyes, go to sleep. Wow, you still alive, how many times I gotta say close your eyes and go to sleep. Dive up, go to sleep. Wow, you still alive, why, dive,
Hey dog, I'm a walk, a beast, talk like the streets. I'm a slave place in New York with the heat. Stalked on a beat, walk with my feet. Understand my pain, the rain ain't sweet. Peep how I'm moving, peep where I'm going. Don't sleep, then sleep not knowing. But I'ma keep going, getting larger than life. Easy going, but the same one that started the fight. He be knowing how dog get when dog gon' bite. Try to show him the dog, it's dog for life. Grand champion, my bloodline is tight. It's just so good, it's alright. Tried to holler, but couldn't holler back. Now they got to swallow everything in the sack. Bloodline, and we can go track for track. Damn dog, why you had to do them like that?
now go to sleep. Dive, time's up, close your eyes, go to sleep. Wow, you still alive, how many times I gotta say close your eyes? Yo X, come on man. Homie, let's go.
Do your thing, man. What they looking at? 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 I'm in that hot thing, gutter lane, dipping with that wood grain. So hood, man. They call me the boogie man. In that slow lane, what is your whole name? I forgot this whole name. I'll call her Lois Lane. Up on that boulevard, 24s rotate. Ice Cube coming through, got to make the whole way. Roll at my own pace, don't hate. All you fat leaning up against my paint. Ice Cube, I still a little paint. Movie star, you pulled little drink. That's how it's going down out here in California. Listen to my people when it hit the corner. Do your thing, man. What they looking at? 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 Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the flyest one of all? Now I pull in the parking lot, find a parking spot, fired up. Everybody wanna spark a lot. Puff, puff, pass. We out on the Ave, looking for a big fat Arab to harass. Is it you? I see you looking when we roll by. She's still cooking. Freaks get cooking when they looking for stars. If you don't like my face, bitch, look at my car. Keep it simple. I told you once before, it really don't matter how I get you to the mo. It really don't matter how I get you in my low. Just hop in, let's go and let your friends know. Do your thing, man. What they looking at? 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 Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the flyest one of all? Do your thing, girl. What they looking at? We the dogs getting chased by the pussycat. West Coast, baby, with so much gravy. You should call the Navy. Ever since the 80s, I've been doing good. They've been doing bad. When I see you walk by, I'm pursuing that. But never chase it, my game is so basic. Soon as I lace it, baby wanna taste it. Just face it, put me to the test. Ice Cube or ace it, I'm built for success. A rock star. We wanna party like a rap star. In the club, in the house, or the backyard. You make it rain with ones, I make it rain with huns. And we get lap dance from nuns. They put away they crucifix and they say, Ice Cube, boy, you the shit. Do your thing, man. What they looking at? 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 Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the flyest one of all? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the flyest one of all? Do your thing, man. What they looking at? Do your thing, man.
Yeah. 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 If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show, I'ma make it hot, baby. I apply pressure to pussy, the stunt and I pop. Stand above, squeezing my pistol, I'm sure that I got it. I Peter Piper, pick peppers, and run rock vines. I'm 50 Cent, I write a little bit, but I pop nines. Tell niggas get their money right, cause I got mine. When I'm around, quit playing, nigga, you can't shine. You gon' be that next chump, then end up in the trunk after being hit by the pump. Is that what you want? Be easy, nigga. I lay your ass out. Believe me, nigga. That's what I'm about. Gangsta. You can find a nigga sitting on throne. Hit the clutch, hit the gear, hit the gas, and I'm gone. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show, I'ma make it hot, baby, baby. I'm down for the action. He's smart with his mouth to smack. You holding your strap, you might come back, so clap. React like a gangster, die like a gangster for acting. Cause you get hit in homicide to be asking what happened. Oh no, look who crept in with the foe. 20-inch rim sitting on low, bro. East side, west side, niggas know, yo, even my mama saying something really wrong with my brain. Niggas don't rob me, they know I'm down to die for my chain. G-Unit, we get it poppin' in the hood. G-Unit, motherfucker, what's good? I'm waiting on niggas to act like they don't know how to act. After sipping too much Jack, I blow them off the map with the Mac. Thinking it's all rap, till that ass get clapped and Doc says it's a rap. It's a rap, nigga. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show, I'ma make it hot, baby, baby. I invented how to teach lessons to slow learners. Go ahead, act up, get smacked in the head with the burner. I don't fight fair, I'm dirty, I'm for